Hey guys, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the different ways you can build your wealth throughout the pandemic, whether it's saving money or finding different sources of income. Before this video does start, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, as it does mean a lot to me. Now, let's get into it. As you know already, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, so if you do want professional help, you'll have to look elsewhere. Also, I understand a lot of people are struggling at the moment, so in no way is this video or the rest of my content me showing off. I'm very fortunate to be one of the people who have kept their job this whole time. That job security, plus a little bit of initiative, has put me in a comfortable position which I know a lot of people unfortunately aren't in. Hence why I make these videos, with the intention of helping out the viewer, regardless of what financial state you're in. With that out of the way, here's the first method to building your wealth during COVID, and I'm gonna hit you with the obvious one. Start investing. I went into more detail in my first video comparing the advantages and disadvantages of banks, but to summarise it here, they are complete Interest rates are at an all-time low, meaning you're making no money at all. In fact, you're losing money. This is because the current inflation rate is 1.2%, which is higher than the 0.1% interest rates offered by banks. The only benefit to a bank at the moment is that it's a safe store of value. I just tried to repeat that point so many times. Is that it's a state? Fuck off, man. Is that it's a state? Off. And even that's questionable. Investing opens up so many doors for opportunity. Not only can you make money, it teaches you to save money elsewhere, depending on how seriously you decide to take it. For me, it became a little bit addicting as I understood the potential it has for the future. There have been months where I have put full paychecks straight into trading 212 with no hesitation. Obviously, I kept a small reserve of money in my bank just in case something happened, like an emergency, you know, like if I crashed my car or something. Cool. Must be, you know, pretty stupid to do that, eh? God, I don't know how to do that. Method number 2, which you can use to build your wealth during the pandemic, is to stop buying stuff online. This covers tech items, second-hand sales, takeaways, and most importantly, clothes. That one's mainly aimed for the girls. Not that any watch my videos. No, but seriously, take a long hard look at yourself in the mirror and think, do you really need what you're buying? You could cut down your monthly expenditures massively if you stop your online orders. On that note, Will Roxby is a cruel man. You know when we had 2 meters of snow, yeah? He thought it'd be a good idea to order a Wagamama's from Deliveroo, with no regard to the poor guy that struggled to get to his house. Not only will cutting down on your online orders save you money, which you can put into stocks, it reduces your carbon footprint, saving the environment one step at a time. However, general morale across the population is quite low at the moment, so if the satisfaction of opening up a new ASOS order is the only thing keeping you going at the moment, by all means prioritise your happiness. Mental health is very important. Moving on to the third method of building your wealth throughout the pandemic, and this is selling your unwanted possessions, varying from clothes, DVDs, books, outdoor equipment, you name it. Anything that you're not using and you're not going to use again doesn't serve any purpose being in your house. Sell it and put the money in stocks. Platforms you can use to do this vary from Depop, which is mainly clothes, Gumtree, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and even social media platforms like Snapchat and Instagram. No matter what you are selling, there is always demand somewhere. Every individual has their price. A couple of notes to go along with this point. Market your product well. Neat presentation and an accurate description go a long way when advertising your product online. You need to make sure people want to click on your advert in the first place. Second-hand sales have increased in recent times, as more and more people begin to look for different sources of revenue, so competition is at an all-time high. When selling second-hand, make sure to be 100% transparent with the quality of your item in order to avoid any backlash, like bad reviews, returns, etc, as this may affect your reputation as a seller going forward. Now, if you are a fellow tea drinking citizen of the UK, remember that the virus is still prominent. So before sending your item off, make sure to wipe off any bogeys and clean it up properly. Moving on to the fourth and final method of building your wealth during the pandemic, and that is work. If you are lucky enough to remain employed, take this as an opportunity to do as much overtime as you can. No one is going anywhere at the moment, so you might as well build up a large stack of cash ready to splash come the end of lockdown, or put it all in stocks. And if you don't have a job, applying for temporary and voluntary jobs are always good options. Amazon Flex drivers have seen a huge increase in demand following a rise in online sales. Supermarkets have begun to take on more people as well as NHS workers, so be sure to stay notified for job opportunities. If not, offer your service to other people. You can do the shopping for the elderly person across the road, offer to walk dogs, clean cars, think outside the box, and always keep an open mind. Whatever you end up doing, any source of income is good. Make sure to pump that money straight into your investing account. Turn that £20 car wash money into £30, then turn that £30 into £40. Stay proactive. Other honourable mentions which I didn't feel like developing into full points include cancelling memberships, become an affiliate, and start a YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you took something away from it, and I hope I was able to help someone's financial situation, at least in some way. Make sure to subscribe to The Bundle and Ben Bassam's channel, both links in the description. Stay safe and go make some money. I'll catch you in the next one.